Going to talk about how to use and maintain a chainsaw. We will discuss the safety of maintaining a chainsaw. The blade, we should treat it as though it's running all the time. That thing is very sharp. A lot of injuries with industrial equipment and or a chainsaw occur when the chainsaw is not even running. These are all razor sharp and they could really open you up. Now, before you do anything on a chainsaw, as far as maintenance, I want you to disconnect the spark plug so there's no way it could ever fire. And on this particular model, a Husqvarna, we pull the cover off, spark plug's here, and we just pull the wire off it. This way, there's no way that's going to ever fire on you, no matter what you're doing. Other safety things, you always want to keep the blade away from you whenever you're doing anything, and if you're walking from one tree to another, you turn it off. You don't walk around with the thing running.